Hello soulmate, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class we'll be learning how to make a standing effect on this peplum, as you can see, exactly as you are seeing on my screen right now. And for the two blouses you are seeing on the screen right now, I use the same method for it. Then I cut my peplum flare by 720-degree flare. You can also make use of the regular one, which is 360-degree flare. If you want to learn how to make a 720-degree flare, I will drop a link in the comment section. Like you are seeing me right now, I make use of two crinoline and I combine the two together. Then I use my masking tape to secure the edges. And also I make use of paper stay, not the art stay. The paper stay, if you're in Nigeria, you know what is called paper stay. It's very soft, not the hard one. So I use it on both the lining and the fashion fabric, and I pin it together, right side facing right side. And for the record, I make use of a single cut of that paper stay for both the fashion fabric and the lining. Then what I'm showing you right now is I just use the remaining pieces to put at the bottom of my peplum. That is just it, because that place needs more effect than the other place. So, and I left a half-inch sewing allowance. I don't want my sewing to get into the edge of my peplum. That was why I left an half-inch allowance for that. So, and I'm sewing, I make sure that I'm arranging, we are using two crinoline right now, so you make sure that you arrange it very well and you pull. You don't need to push it backward like you see me. This is the effect of placing my crinoline in that way, because I stone this fabric. I don't want to iron too much and I don't want to go through the process of top stitching again. For this method, placing your crinoline like this, you don't need to stop stitch and you don't need to iron it over and over again. You understand what I mean? You don't need to iron it over and over again. That was why I make use of this method and I find it helpful. So just watch to the end. Let me know in the comment section what you love about this method. So that's what I'm doing till I get to the end. And I will also be using the masking tape to secure the edge at the final stage in that aspect. So we've gotten to the final aspect of this, and I will not also I will be leaving an half-inch allowance also to finish everything up. I don't want to get into the seam allowance. So let me know in the comment section what you like about this particular method. So I'm trying to remove my pins so that I can show you how easy it is by the time you are turning it in and out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the notification bell in order to be the first person to be notified whenever I drop a new video. You can see the effect, and we don't need to top stitch, and everything will lay down flat. What I'm doing is I'm just trying to finish the edge of this side, and I'll also be doing the same thing to the other side. So by the time I use my 1-inch zipper allowance for it, everything will lay. So I've turned it in and I've removed the pin and turn it. It's very easy. For this method, everything is just look perfect. Then I will just iron it gently. I don't need to start turning, giving me headache. So this method is very good and perfect for me. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it to other soulmates, and please turn on the notification bell so you will be the first person to be notified by the time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching.